working with an implementation partner, kind of a funny backstory is I had another presentation I was working on, and part of that entailed talking about the change management in Copperleaf. And I can tell you when I started actually going through, because I was looking for the wording, I was looking for the images to kind of capture the many different things that we had gone throughout this journey in implementation. And I was just taken aback when I had to recall all of the different things that our implementation partner had done for us. We had very robust governance and procedures that had been defined, all the way down to some very detailed bylaws. We had dozens of interviews with internal stakeholders, and I will tell you, I'm not even sure I had the full count, but I know it's something around 150. We really did weave in people's perspectives and expertise into every aspect, from the technical through the governance and everything that we worked to design this application to be specific to Alabama Power. And then just the communication that we had around the project and the timeliness of our deliverables. Really, the implementation partner not only helped us meet milestones, but also kept Copperleaf and Alabama Power accountable to each other, which I think has been helpful to us. I could not have done it without implementation help. The level of professionalism and expertise with which the change has been managed has really been what's made us successful.
Just having that dedicated personnel to change management is a luxury that not every project has. It's definitely been very valuable here. Among many things, Slalom are closer geographically to Alabama Power, and that allows them to have that in-person touch and perspective that I think is so valuable to folks in Alabama Power. They've been able to understand the organizational structure really well, and really embed themselves in the organization as if they've been working there for a long time.
It's really been a strong in-person, and that's what a lot of the people that I work with here at Alabama Power and the transmission organization really do appreciate, is the hands-on, I'm here with you, we're elbow to elbow. So that part has definitely gone a long way with helping this to be a success.
Any organization that is going through any business or technology transformation is a high degree of change, and it impacts multiple levels of your organization and the people in their day-to-day jobs. And so what we try to implement at Alabama Power is this approach to move your organization and the team members across this change journey. And we did this through essentially 5 major topic areas, and the first being awareness of the need to change. So communicating why is the Copperleaf solution coming into Alabama Power? What's the reason for that? Building desire for that change, so communicating what are the benefits of this solution and redesigning the process. Knowledge and ability, these are critical components to ensure that the stakeholders within the organization are actually enabled to carry out that change. So think about all of the training and enablement activities that would go on there. And then lastly, reinforcement. And reinforcement being, how are we communicating success and reporting on the success of the Copperleaf solution?
For us right now is focusing on getting the first run completed, making any needed adjustments to that. Throughout this implementation process, we also discovered that we felt strongly that we probably needed to go ahead and look at some automated integrations that will occur between Copperleaf and some of the data that we're using for Alabama Power, as well as workflows. Workflows was a big kind of like aha moment as we're kind of going through first run, and even before that, we knew that it was going to be helpful to have Copperleaf kind of step us through the process of originating an investment, prompting somebody to review, prompting another person to approve, and just kind of walking those investments through the different stages in Copperleaf throughout the investment life cycle.